I got up pretty early this morning because I bought this. I own the rattiest 57 Chevy on planet Earth. This thing's gonna turn out awesome. Stay tuned.
That's been sitting for about 25, 30 years.
In a barn with the door open.
The door closed. So was this Volkswagen. Volkswagen was completely in. And it had, it had an inch of dust on top of it. This thing did too, but I drug it from over here. It's like 283 and 351 with 3-speed on top.
Little mangled there. Somebody tried to mud in some fender flares.
Perfect, like I told you.
Yeah, well, it's a builder. I haven't looked in it really.
I just hate to see them go to the junk.
Ooh, quarters separated back here.
It needs a trunk floor, needs some work. That'll all pull together.
Yeah.
All depends on your skills.
Right. Yeah, spare tire well's mangled. Trunk floor is, yeah, it's pretty rough.
What do you got? What is that?
It's a little GoPro camera. Just kind of doing a little, yeah, it's a neat little thing. Sometimes I put these videos together and share them on the internet with people. Wow, yeah, you're not kidding. That's legit barn dust.
You should have seen it before.
Oh, still got.
Attracted to the bottom of the quarter panels.
Ooh, in what?
It is what it is. I
Yeah.
can't tell you much more.
It's rough. It's gonna need some metal work.
Yeah. But the only thing got me is pretty much, it ain't a stripper. It's pretty much complete.
Yeah. Does the hood latch?
Nobody stole anything off of it. Looks like you know, if you've done 57, the trim on it, stainless steel trim and grill and the bumpers, or
This being probably a 150, I think.
I would probably something like that.
Yeah, I don't know. It's gonna need all the typical metal, but it's like you said.
Got it, you know, and
It's got a seat. It's got doors.
I've never had it up in the air.
Doors are a little rough. They're gonna need some patches, but
Yep.
I've seen worse. I've seen better. I've seen worse.
Believe me, in 55 years I have too. Doing this crap.
You know what? I'm not too good for wear anymore either. Okay, small block with a Holly. That's hard saying if that's original, but it's got earlier valve covers.
I couldn't tell you nothing about that.
It looks like most of it's all there. Nothing too fancy.
Like I said, don't look like somebody's robbed it.
No, it looks like it's mostly complete. You haven't tried to turn it over or anything?
Oh heck no.
Yeah, it's got no air cleaner on it, so I'm not hopeful.
Honest to God, when I seen your thing, I was going to put it on there for parts.
Oh, well, the carb's bad. We know that for sure. Huh.
No doubt about that.
Yeah. Well, you'll have that with these old cars.
It is what it is. That's all I can say, and
Yep.
I can tell you about it.
I don't suppose this hood latches, does it?
Probably needs a. Too bad you can't
Whole
dip
lot
these
of
in
lube.
WD-40 the whole car. You'd be all right.
Yeah. Looks like she might be stuck. I can ratchet
We'll
strap
get
that shut for now. There's a bit of trim mangle. It does need a horn on this fender. The only thing that's got me scared is that rear quarter, but I know all the metal exists. It's just going to take a lot of patching, you know? But like I said, it's a pretty honest car. Gonna need these. Of course, there's mud in it, but still got aprons. The frame looks okay. I wish I could get my head under the rear. That's
Tell you what we done. We pulled it out, hooked onto the frame, and pulled it out, and it didn't come apart. Let's put it that way.
Just taking a look. It's even got a tank in there. Okay. Well, I guess the next order of business is trying to get this wheel off, but holy cats, that's rusty.
I don't think you're going to.
No.
I think you'll have a bigger problem by trying to take it off.
Yeah, I think you're right. Bill's got a lot of cool stuff out here. I'm running a body shop for 42 years. Those Cadillacs are for sale. There's a sedan back there for sale. Little block Ford flathead. Wow. Oh, what's in here?
All I do is crank the heat up on this one. That side will be.
Ooh. More Volkswagens, more motorcycles.
No, it's not a Volkswagen.
What?
It's a Renault.
Oh my God! I didn't even.
49 Renault. There's a 402 block in there, good motor right there. Come out of a Chevelle.
That's
69 Chevelle.
I kind of want it now. I should have brought more money.
That's a 60 Edsel over there in the corner, and that's not for sale.
That's beautiful.
That's ours. My wife can sell it. If I sold that, she'd kill me. She loves that car. That truck right there is for sale.
This is really nice. Small block.
Everything on it, General Motors. All new fenders, new hoods, doors, everything. I'm not talking old stuff. It's OEM stuff I put on there.
This is a really straight
Gotta be
truck.
Sanded, buffed out, and put back together.
Wow. Dang. That is really nice. It's all there too.
If you ever see a 60 Edsel, you got my number. I'll give you my number.
The Lone
I'm always
Ranger.
looking for parts because you can't buy them.
Oh my gosh, I love the lake pipes. That is so cool. This is way ahead of its time.
Wow. Took it out and put brakes on it, and it's been sitting up there bleeding for a long time.
But it's
We got out and got it in
beautiful.
NASCAR, so that car show went by the wayside.
Every bit of this thing is restored and
It's got
painted.
62,000 miles, actual miles.
I'm assuming it's repainted.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep, it used to be seafoam green with a black vinyl roof. And it wasn't vinyl, it was a straight-on roof. I had to sand it all off.
Oh. You said it was a 48 Renault?
49 Renault.
49.
It
That
runs, drives, brakes went out on
that is so cool. It's got a little like a moonroof or a soft top that rolls up.
it. Yep.
That's cool.
She's mechanical, folds down and back.
That is amazing. Wow. You have a lot of cool stuff, Bill. I could be happy here. Oh man. That is a really nice Corvette. I've always loved the flying buttress, this right here.
Yeah.
Same styling as like the old Chargers. It's just so cool.
59, when we first got married. Can you see that?
What is
We
that?
gotta go up there, you can see that old Plymouth.
What year?
It's a 37.
Wow. That's cool. That is really cool. That's an honest car too. There's no rust on this thing.
Decatur, North Decatur.
Perfect car to just get running again. Golly, it's clean.
And a bunch of chrome, somebody redone it, it's all wrapped in newspaper in the trunk.
Wow. That is cool. Guess you just come upon stuff like
I
this.
paid $2,800 for it if you know anybody.
$2,800 for a 39 Plymouth.
Yeah.
That's a deal. I mean, I'd figure there'd be rust all over this thing.
It ain't bad, believe me.
No.
It ain't a bad car.
No, it shows its age, but man, is this thing cool.
If you get around there, you can open the door, look inside it. Yeah.
Let's see if I can crawl around. Yeah. Wow. No kidding. It looks like you could just jump in it and drive just about. Only thing it's missing is a headliner. Doors closed. Wow.
Which, they said it runs. I don't know whether it does or not.
Yeah, more 58 fenders. I think.
There's some doors for an El Camino over there.
Jeez. You got everything.
5960 doors, I think. There's 3 of them.
That is so cool. All kind of the airplane and style, inspired styling, the gauges. These are cool cars.
Machine gun when you ride that.
And the suicide doors, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
There's another flathead motor in here.
Jeez.
Somewhere.
Just about tripping over the things on your property.
Somewhere, wherever it's at, I don't know.
Don't want to scratch the shiny Corvette.
That Corvette, I've redone it for her. She got on my ass. I bought it for her for her birthday. And then she had to have it all changed in colors. So we stripped it down to nothing and put a new interior in it. And I bet you she hasn't drove it, what, maybe a dozen times? Here's what happens to it. Sits in here.
Dang. How much is a car like this?
I don't know, probably nothing, because she ain't gonna sell it. It was a gift.
She's loaded. Time to drag this pig back to Iowa and figure out what to do with her. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think I should do with the cheapest, rattiest 57 Chevy on planet Earth. I'm gonna decode the tag a little bit, figure out if it is like an original V8 car, but I don't know. Part of me just wants to kind of scab it together, fix the floors, and drive it ratty, man. It's cool. It's got a lot of wear to it, but it tells a story. So maybe a gasser, maybe a ratty driver, maybe it needs restored. I don't know. But yeah, do me a favor, share the video, comment below, subscribe, and check out themadscientistgarage.com if you want to get a shirt, a sticker, or just, you know, check out articles I've written and support the channel. It all helps. Thanks for watching, and tune in and see what we do with this next time.